Need to hide part of a video without cropping the entire frame? The video masking tool makes it easy to cover sensitive information, blur distractions, and hide unwanted elements while keeping the rest of your video unchanged. Let's walk through the video masking process. Step 1. Upload your video. In this video, I'll use the sample footage to demonstrate how to blur a vehicle's license plate using the video masking tool. Step 2. Highlight the element. The tool uses a live mask to highlight the watermark, object, text, or other element that needs to be masked. Draw a box around the license plate to show the area that will be masked. Currently, the tool supports masking one object at a time. To hide multiple elements, you'll need to apply the mask separately for each one. Step 3. Start video masking. Click the Process Video button to begin processing the selected area. Step 4. Preview the result. Preview the processed video to confirm that the highlighted area is now blurred and hidden from view. Step 5. Download your video. Download the masked video and save it to your device. You can also edit the video again or copy the video link for easier sharing. Let's compare the video before and after masking. And that's how easy it is to mask unwanted elements in your videos. Visit our video masking tool now and start masking unwanted elements with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.